Hi, we have come up with a new feature with which you will be able to delete opening balances from your own profile if you have updated any incorrect value of the opening balance or incorrect date. For that, go to the Payments module, click on Other Actions, click on Opening Balance. Here is the list of opening balances. Please read the instruction here. Select Unpaid from Type Filter to delete opening balance. So you cannot delete the opening balances where the payment is already logged, although partial payment will also not work. Click on Type, select Unpaid. You can choose the category as receivables or payables. Select the opening balance you want to delete. Here, the delete option is highlighted. Click on the same. Click on Yes to delete the opening balance. As you can see, opening balance is deleted. You can check the same from the company ledger. If you want to delete any opening balance where the payment is already logged, you'll have to cancel the voucher, the payment voucher, and then you'll be able to delete that opening balance. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.